morning, guys. This is my Remington 870 Tactical 12 gauge pump shotgun, which I named Pepper, and I already did a video when I first got it showing all the original components, but this morning I just want to show you guys the changes that I've made, starting with the stock. The original stock was too long for me since I've got pretty short arms and I'm 5'4", and the original stock had a 14-inch length of pull, and an 870 youth model is only 1 inch shorter at 13 inches. So I went with a Hogue Overmolded 12-inch stock, which fits me a lot better. I did try a Mesa Tactical stock adapter with a collapsible stock, which shortened it 1 inch shorter than this Hogue, but it didn't line up with the ghost ring sights, and also the Mesa adapter added about 1 pound to my shotgun. So I might try the Mesa again someday, but this Hogue stock works really well for me, and I prefer this style of stock anyway over the one with the pistol grip on it. And then next I replaced the Forend with a Surefire Picatinny Forend, which unfortunately has been discontinued, but I was able to get one. It allowed me to put on a Magpul AFG2, which gives me a very comfortable, secure grip on my shotgun. And I also put on a gear sector hand stop, like on my AR, which matches up nicely with the AFG2. And the hand stop catches the web of my hand really well, and it gives me a lot more control on the forend when I'm racking it. And I also covered the rails with Magpul XTM rail panels, which you can see here. And although a lot of you know that OG green is my favorite color, I'm actually going to leave Pepper all black. It came with this tactical choke tube, and the barrel is threaded. I really like how it has the same threading to accept all the Remington hunting chokes. And here I have this Remington Turkey Super Full choke tube. So even though this shotgun only has an 18.5-inch barrel, it is still pretty effective for hunting. This shotgun holds 6+1 rounds of 2 3/4 inch shells and 5+1 of 3-inch shells. And I've been using 3 types of ammo for my training, which are all reduced recoil rounds. First, I've been using Winchester Ranger 1-ounce slugs. I've also been using Winchester Winlight 1-ounce slugs. And for my buckshot, I've been using Remington double-aught buck. And for the unloaded weight of my shotgun, it was originally 7.5 pounds, but after all my upgrades, it is 1/4 pound heavier at 7 3/4 pounds. So even though I put on a shorter stock, the railed forend and accessories add a little bit of weight to it. So that was all my changes, and these upgrades really helped me a lot so far, and I'm having a blast shooting it. I've been out shooting a lot lately, so my shoulder is a little sore. So let's go look at the target. Obviously I was using slugs today, and I got a pretty good group.